Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project in Preview so you can plan posts visually. Open the app, tap plus to start, and import your images or short videos. This gives you an editable feed mockup. Once done, drag to reorder posts so the sequence tells a story. This matters because visual flow affects engagement. Make sure to choose a layout and aspect ratio that matches Instagram standards to avoid cropping surprises later. Now you have a working canvas to refine captions and timing. You now edit each post to control how it appears on Instagram. Tap an image to crop, adjust exposure, or apply a subtle filter. This keeps a consistent aesthetic across your grid. Then add captions, emojis, and targeted hashtags. Save them as drafts to reuse similar language. Once your edits are set, schedule posts or pin key items. That lets you test timing and spacing. Make sure to preview the whole grid so color, spacing, and captions read coherently before posting. You finish by connecting Preview to your Instagram account and choosing manual or auto post. Export or publish directly from the app so dimensions and captions match what you previewed. This prevents last-minute reformatting. Once scheduled, monitor the app for confirmations and analytics to learn what works. If something goes wrong, like failed uploads, check photos permissions, available device storage, and network stability. Clearing cache or reconnecting the Instagram account usually fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.